In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Excel after Microsoft Forms have been edited. Keeping your data up to date is crucial, especially when working with forms that may receive new or modified responses over time. Today, I'm going to guide you through the straightforward process of ensuring your Excel workbook automatically reflects the latest inputs from Microsoft Forms. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whatever your preferred choice is. Once there, search for Microsoft Forms. You should see it appear in your search results. Once you do, go ahead and click on it. If you're not already logged in, you will need to sign in with your Microsoft account. This ensures that you can access all the forms and files associated with your account. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft Forms homepage. There, locate and open the specific form you need to update your Excel file with. After you've opened your form, you're going to want to navigate to the View Responses tab. This is where you can see all the responses collected from your form submissions. Now, here's the crucial part. Look for the Open in Excel button or the similar option of syncing the results to Excel for the web. You'll find this typically highlighted for ease of access. Give that button a click. What this action does is create a seamless bridge between Microsoft Forms and Excel. It automatically sends the responses directly to a new Excel file in your OneDrive. This file has a live connection with your form, which means any new data submitted will be fetched directly into your Excel file. Once this new file is created, you can open it using Excel for the web. This online version of Excel offers you the convenience of viewing live, updated data in real time. Every time someone adds or edits a response on your form, these changes will sync automatically to this Excel file, ensuring your data is always current without you having to lift another finger. To recap, the process is quite straightforward. Access Microsoft Forms online, sign in, open your form, view responses, and then sync to Excel for continuous updates. This setup is particularly helpful for collaborative projects or when dealing with large data sets, ensuring you always have the freshest data at your disposal. And there you have it. Your Excel file is now set up to automatically update whenever you receive new responses on Microsoft Forms. This integration leverages the power of the cloud to keep your data synchronized and ready for analysis at any time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.